Understandable.
Okay, just I will ask from the few questions and we'll after that we can continue class. Okay. So what is correlation?
Handle the dynamic values which are generated from server side. It's called correlation.
Okay. How many ways we can do correlation?
Two types, auto correlation, manual correlation.
What is the manual correlation process?
Identify the dynamic value.
Okay.
Find the dynamic value left and right boundary.
Okay.
Where to write the function and substitution.
Okay. So how to we can identify the where to write the function?
Record.
Yeah, like I'm asking about
Record.
just yeah, where to write the function? How will we know? What is the process to identify that?
Identify the dynamic value.
Yeah.
Copy the dynamic value and in output.
Yeah, in output search window, we can paste that
search
dynamic value. Come to the control home page and click on next button.
Next button.
Okay.
And
It will
copy the
dynamic value left boundary, right boundary. Okay, put the cursor in the dynamic value place. In the search window, we can give from the web underscore or dot .inf. That is the one thing. And one more thing. So first you can replay the script. After that, click on Control F, and after that, select from the like snapshot and find all. In the find all, we need select from the replay response. If you click that, where you want to write the function and what are the arguments also will know, right?
Yes.
Okay. Prasanna, how many functions we have correlation functions? What are they?
Occurrence, same length and same offset.
No, not arguments, functions. We have different functions, right?
4 types.
Yeah, yes.
Rex, JSON.
Yeah, WebRex Separam, WebRex Separam EX, WebRex Separam JSON,
and
WebRex Separam RegExp.
yeah.
So these are the functions. So what are the arguments?
Same length and same offset. Not found satisfied.
Okay. What is the save length? What is the save length?
Specified number of characteristics from dynamic value that is based on left boundary and right boundary.
Yeah. What is the save offset?
Number of characters which are skipped from the dynamic values.
Yeah. Prasad, what is the ordinal?
Ordinal is a position we can give numerically, and it will
No, ordinal nothing but okay. Prasanna, what is the ordinal? Shravani?
Occurrence of the dynamic values.
Okay, occurrence of the dynamic values. Okay. Okay, you guys can practice and same to the interview point of view can prepare well. Okay. So we can move to the class.
Sir, can I ask some doubts? Sir?
Yes, yes.
Share the screen, sir.
Yeah, you can share. Practice you are Prasad, you also doing practice, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good.
In this, I'm done with parameterization and complex parameterization, but I'm getting this error, sir, file to read file.
Okay, what is the username param, right? Your parent, click on that. So what is this error? User Dell documents reason scripts. File format is not correct. It's showing you are uploaded file. Go to the okay. Your file will be there in script HTML8. Go to the script folder. Yeah, click on otherwise edit with notepad. You're able to opening, right? Click on yeah, edit with notepad. Open in username. Yeah. So where is column names? Username. Yeah.
Yes.
Where is the names of the column names? Username, password. You are not given, right? That is why it is showing from the wrong. You are given only data. So, for example, AMP is what is that username? After car1 is password. So you need to mention from the above also with the comma delimiter. Okay. Okay, right.
Parameter names.
Yeah, parameter names you are forgetting. Okay.
And another also.
Yes.
And in that compilation error, I get an error, sir.
Go up.
In this.
Yes, you can observe web break say param. Actually, it will be no, don't run. Already it's showing from the parsing fail, right? In down. So web break say param source page underscore will be RB equal to y it is came RB 2 equals escape RB. Remove one.
Okay. Sir.
Even though web reg save param source page LB RB comma last. Just uncomment web break save param. Just double slash you can click from the web before.
This one, sir.
Yeah, web before. Yeah, before. Yes, there. double slash. No, not that one. Okay, not that slash. Forward slash. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Okay, even though script passing is failed. Okay, for here order form is equal target form. Just click from the reply button. Yeah, cannot combine. What is the errors? Show me errors. Go to the errors in output window. See in syntax missing double colon in the web URL. So like some double colon missing. Okay, go close this. Okay, oh, no, don't come below is stop. Yeah. Just to uncomment web URL to last, proceed to checkout enter.
Sir,
Select that and you can uncomment all up to last. Up to that. Above is there, right? Lines, you can click on that. Above lines is there, right? Design Studio beside.
Design Studio.
Beside, yeah, I click that. Yeah, it's commented. Even the script passing is failed. Means this is not. Means somewhere like you are missed there. Double colon is missed. Okay, you need to check from the starting onwards. Okay, you can uncheck like this. Okay, and you can try with the all. Okay, then where it is exactly you will be know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So and simply that is why when you are doing from the scripting or when you are some editing here, right? Carefully can because anywhere by mistake comma or double colon is miss, we are unable to identify the entire script miss. It is a very difficult thing. So that is why when we are doing scripting, we need to prepare very carefully. And as same to the real time, one more thing you can okay, first of all, you are recorded, right?
Yes,
Once
sir.
you are recorded successfully without like everything is as per our format, then what you can do is you can put is that is the original and you can copy one more and you can work with the in the copy script.
Okay, sir.
What will happen means maybe this script is like corrupt or anything it is happen also. We have the original script. Again, we can do no need to record again. Direct we can do from the like scripting announcements. Okay.
Okay.
You guys can habit that one. It's a good one. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank
You
you, sir.
can check from the like that. Otherwise, we can re-record.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. So we can start or anyone have any doubt? So yeah, we can start. So now correlation is completed. So in the correlation, we have the some interview questions will be there. Like what kind of interview question they will ask. So we can discuss from the today class. Why correlation is required? It's an interview question. Anyone can know from anything. You can tell me. Okay, just I'm asking from the interview point of questions. It's not a what is correlation, what is that, right? So this will be different. Okay, what is the like why correlation required? Anyone can answer? Like when we are record the script, in the script contain multiple dynamic values. So if you not handle the multiple dynamic values, as a user to user, our script will be fail. So that is why the correlation is required. So that is the answer. Got it? So means when we are record the script, right, it is generated from the multiple dynamic values. Okay. For the dynamic values you are not handling, what will happen? User to user, it is changing. It is not handled, then what will happen? It is showing from the here your script pass only, but really your script will be not pass because you are not handling the dynamic value. So that is why the correlation is required. Okay, that is the one thing. So if the left boundary and right boundary keep on changing, what is your approach? Capture the dynamic value. Okay, for example, your left boundary, right boundary. Okay. Okay, our left boundary and right boundary. For example, left boundary A, B, C. First of all, 1, 2, 3, and dynamic value will be there. Value. Okay. After that, again, some 4, 5, 6. It is come. This is the first iteration time. Okay, and second iteration time, what will happen means, okay, this dynamic value like left boundary. So this is the dynamic value. So dynamic value left is the left boundary, right boundary. Okay, if it is not changed, then we are directly doing from the correlation using from the correlation functions. Maybe second time what will happen means this will be some different value, and again dynamic value, and after that this one means what will happen, like iteration to iteration, the dynamic value also it is changing. Left boundary, right boundary, it is changing. Then how to we can handle this using from the correlation. So we can write from the LB is equal. If it is the digits are changing, what we can do means how many digits is changing, in that case we need to give from the as symbol. 1, 2, 3 changing. That is the LB. RB also you can give from the same like this. So digits, if it is a digit changing, we need to give from the 3 slash. Then automatically, if in that dynamic value boundaries, I am telling from the not dynamic value left boundary, right boundary also sometimes it is a changes happen. That will be very rare case. Interview point of view, definitely interview question. Your left boundary, right boundary is keep on changing. What is your approach? So if it's a digit changing, we need to give from the okay slash hash symbol from the how many times it is changing, you need to give. Okay, for example, what will happen this time? What will happen is different. Okay. It is changing from the here some A, here some F, here also changing from the some Y, here also changing from the some C. So now what will happen? What you are observe in the dynamic value left boundary, right boundary, like numeric values along with the alpha numeric like alpha bits also it is changing. So then how to we can handle means, so we can write from the LB is equal, okay, it is a digit changing, what we can give, we know that hash symbol, and if it is a alphanumeric changing, we need to give from the cap symbol, again slash. So we need to give from the like this. So same like one of the our student only Infosys is working from the Infosys. He got from the same issue. Like what will happen means every time one digits is changing from the in the boundaries. He tried with the different boundaries. He tried different ways. Finally, you are unable to doing from the scripting and it is failing from there. Then he approached us and I told from the, in that place you can give from the hash symbol. Then is given, his script will be pass. So if it is a digits means you need to give from the hash symbol. If it is a alphanumeric, then you can give from the cap symbol. That is the interview chain. Okay. Got it, everyone? It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
So, like we have the dynamic value will be there. You are written the function. Okay. We go from the script. Okay, we already done the correlation, right? Not this. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, you are able to hear it, sir. Okay, so now, for example, so we have done the correlation this. Okay, we have done the correlation, but what happened means these seat preferences, what value are doing, it will be capture that. Like it is Windows or none, it will capture. So sometimes what will happen means your response contain more number of lines. Then what will happen means it is when you are doing from the correlation, it is throwing error, no match found error, requester parameter boundaries are mismatched. And maybe your parameter length is the more than 256 characters. What is the dynamic value you are capturing? That should be more than that. So you are getting like this, then what will happen? We need to like what happen means this variable, whatever maybe it is a section value, use a section or any value, it is a more than 256 characters capturing as a dynamic value. So it is thrown as an error, like no match found error, requester parameter, and if length is a more than 256 characters, that is why your script is failing. You will get from the message. Okay. So at that point of view, what we can do means we need to give from the one function. That is the function name is the web set max htm param length function, and you need to assign from the number of characters like 999 or 99. So how many you want, you need to give from that. So because maybe these dynamic values, some dynamic values contain from the more than 256 characters also will be there. So actually this variable capacity only from the 256 characters. If it's a more than, it is throwing error. So that is the way we need to give from the web set max htm param length function. So inter questions. If you are okay, variable length is the more than 256 characters, what is your approach? Then we need to write from the web set max htm param length function. That is one of the inter question. Okay. So next question, maybe sometimes what happen means your like LBRB is not present for a dynamic value. So you are trying to capturing from the dynamical user section. What happen means you don't have from the like left boundary, right boundary, you don't have. Then what is your approach? So we need check from the many ways. You need check from the requested response body and response header. Okay, in the cookies, we need to check from the these three. If it is not there also, even though it is not there, then we need to directly talk with the development team. So we need to handle this section ID, but we are unable to see the in the response boundaries. So could you please help me on this? Then their side they will change from the code, and after that we are able to see the in code generation with the boundaries. That is the one answer. Maybe sometimes what happens is this is the dynamic value. Assume immediately beside we don't have from the any boundaries. Then what will happen means we can take from the above line of the text is the left boundary and below line also right boundary we can take. Okay. So that is the one more interview question. So maybe like one more, right? Like how many ways we can find the LB/RB for a dynamic values? Already we know using from the code generation log. Okay, in the response and request we can find. One is the replay log. We have to execute from the script to full mode, then only we can identify the LB/RB also dynamic value. And one more is the snapshot view or tree view. Okay, using from the source page option also we can do it from. Like how many ways we can identify the LB/RB also already we know that. And this is the important thing. Like correlation function is keep on failing. What is your approach? Like why it is failing? So as of now you are done correlation, right? Anyone can answer? Your correlation function is keep on failing. What is the issues? Why it is failing? Maybe first thing invalid left boundary or right boundary. That is the one thing your correlation will be fail. Function location might be wrong. Actually, you need to write from the here the function, but you are written from the somewhere. If you written from the somewhere also, it will be throwing an error. So maybe you are trying to capture more than 256 characters. Like just now we discussed, right? Actually, it is our variable only occupy the 256 byte. If it is more than that, it is throwing an error. Okay, then we need to write from the website max html param function. Otherwise, maybe dynamic value itself not available in the response. So where you are searching from the code generation or snapshot view, everywhere you are unable to seeing that dynamic value, also your script will be fail. So these are the correlation function keep on failing. This is the results. Yeah. So and how many ways we can conduct correlation? Okay, we can do from the auto correlation, manual correlation. Okay, and right click on dynamic value and click on correlation button. Like it is the auto correlation method only. Navigate the snapshot view, or we can choose the correlation button or correlation studio also. Okay, so these are the interview questions from the correlation. Okay, so as of now we are done from the parameterization and correlation. You guys can prepare well up to that, and so I will take from the one section from the system test. Okay, not tomorrow. Okay, I will give from the time also, guys. Okay, no worry. But tomorrow and after tomorrow, what I can do is I will record the one script. How to we can record exactly? How to we can give from the transaction names, and how to we can give from the like validation points. Everything I will record, and in front of you, I will do from the all scripting enhancements like parameterization, correlation. Means if you are complete the correlation and parameterization up to 85% scripting is finished. Only 50%, only 15% will be remaining.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you can practice well. If you have any doubts, right, you can reach out me. So we'll meet tomorrow, and you guys can prepare from the interview questions. Already in our material, what I explained, right, all interview questions will be there. You can go through that and you can prepare well. Okay.
Yeah, tomorrow is class is there or holiday?
We'll see. If everyone is available, we can. Otherwise, no worry. Okay.
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 Based on from the your availability. Okay. I need from the your 3. That's it. The remaining peoples I don't want. Your 3 will be there. I will conduct class. If your 3 is have any work or tomorrow you are not interested, you can let me know. We can take from the like day after tomorrow. We can take class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
sir.
Bye.